Hello everybody, welcome back to the electrical outlet, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you can install the Delta Emulator onto your iOS device without dealing with revokes or resigning. Now just a quick note, this method does require a jailbreak, so make sure you look up a tutorial for your iOS version on how to do that first. But if you are already jailbroken, as you can see I am, then you can see right here I've got all my jailbreak apps. And you can see the Delta Emulator right there. And this is going to be a simple tutorial on how you can install it directly from Cydia. So as you can see, I already have it open on my page, but if we go back to the sources list, the source that you will be installing this from is repo.packix.com. So if you haven't already added it, click on Edit, Add, and then type in repo.packix.com. And let it add. And then once it has, click on Packix, scroll down to Emulators, tap on that, and then Delta will be right here and you can install it. It's already installed for me, so I'm not going to need to do that. Next, you will have it installed, but for you, unlike me, there won't be any games here. Well, how do you add games? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Just go to whatever website you use to download games. I recommend wowroms.com because it has a ton of games on it for these older consoles, and it downloads them in a simple zip archive that you can extract directly from the Files app that it will download to. Unlike other websites which use 7-zip or even ROMsmania.cc uses an executable that can't be done directly on iPhones. But once you download the file, I'm not going to be going there myself because last time I got a Walgreens ad that gave away my location, and I would not like to have to censor out the whole process there. So I'm just going to avoid that. You should have a zip archive after you've downloaded whatever game you want to play. This emulator supports NES, SNES, N64, GBA, Game Boy, and Game Boy Color games. So any of those should work. Make sure you tap on the zip archive to extract it, and then go into the Delta Emulator app, click on the plus button, click on Files, and then tap on the ROM file itself, not the zip archive. Make sure you tap on the ROM file with the Delta that should have the Delta logo on it. So yep, that is pretty much it. Just tap on it and it should show up in your games. As you can see, I already have it added, so it's not going to do anything. And it works great. As you can see, I was playing a game of Mario Kart 64. Depending on what device you have, it could have varying speeds, but on my iPhone 7 Plus, it does run at 60 FPS. And is very playable. The controls have all kinds of awesome options, and it supports save states and other features. So yep, if you've enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like so other people can see that it works, and leave your opinions in the comments below. Goodbye, I'll see you guys next time.